Hello, this is Narsic Rad here, and this is our first project tutorial video. In this one, we'll be covering the classic Hello World project, really simple project, and we're going to do this very quickly. I'm going to show you how to create this project, how to run it, and then we are going to make another video where I'll really explain what we did, how to optimize the program, and how to make our code more readable for other people, because that will be incredibly important if you ever have a job working with Visual Studio. You want other people to be able to read your code and really understand your code. So I'm going to make the assumption that you are new to Visual Studio or haven't used it that much, but I am also going to make the assumption that you can get to this point, you can download Visual Studio and get it to run. So to start a new project, we will go right here to New Project, or we can go File, New, and Projects. We're just going to go ahead and click New Project there. And we're going to make a Windows Form application. And this is really important. Under Location, this is where your project will be saved. So we are actually already have a Hello World one there, so we're going to make Hello World tutorial. You can name it whatever you would like. So we'll select that folder, and then right here, this is the name of your individual project. So we're going to name Hello World. And once you create this destination, this is what the default will be for all of your future projects as well. And to change that, just go under Browse and select whatever folder you would like. We're going to hit OK, and Visual Studio is going to create this window forms application for us. So here's our form. We're going to make this a little bit bigger, and we're going to add a button. Everything is in your toolbox. Not everything, but most of what you're going to use is in your toolbox right here to the left. If it is not there, go under View and go ahead and hit Toolbox. So we're going to add a button. We can either double click on this button to create one, or we can drag and drop a button there. Make that a little bit bigger. And now we're going to double click on this button. And when you double click on the button, it will open up the event handler for that button click, which you can see right here. It says handles button1.click. And any code that you put in between private sub and end sub is what is going to happen when the user clicks that button. So we are going to put messagebox.show, put in our parentheses, and then here we're going to put just a string. And we're going to say hello world. So we're going to run our program. Here's our form, here's our button, we click our button, and we get hello world. There you go, you have done it. You have created your very first Visual Studio project. And now to close this project, just go ahead and click the X, and just a little bit of added information. When you make more intricate programs, sometimes you won't even have a form visible right here. And you might wonder, well, how do I stop this program? Because you can't run another one, you can't create another one while this one's still running. Just go up right here and click Stop Debugging. Alright, that is the end of our first project tutorial video. As I stated earlier, I will be making another video that will explain everything we really did here. And before you even watch that video, just go ahead and experiment with this. Experiment with the different settings. Just look at it, see what you can do. Check out the properties over here for everything that you click on. We have the Form 1 properties, our Button 1 properties, and again, here's the event handler. So you can see what happens when you click the mouse. In the form, you can see what happens when the form is clicked on, when the form is closed, when the form is closing, so on and so forth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the next one, and have a great day.